Electro. There, this is Gourab, and you are watching Electro Illusion. You know what is this? Don't worry. This is a futuristic switch. Not futuristic switch, not. This is a futuristic extension cord. Normally you can find this type of extension cord, but I made this with my hands. So this is homemade, and you can definitely make this. If you watch this video till the end, you can make this easily. So let's test it. How does it work? So today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this at your home with very low cost. So please watch this video till the end. But if you not any idea about electronics, please don't try this. See the video and enjoy. If you enjoy, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. This is a 6-volt relay, and this common pin was broken, so I have soldered a wire and pasted some hot glue on this. Okay, I have connected all connection of this project, and this is the 220-volt AC power source, and this will, in this point, the plug not socket will connect this point, and this is power supply, and on a negative wire will connect there. So let's do it. Few minutes later. Okay, I'm done all wiring for this project. So now I'm going to fix this in this box. This is a electric box, 1 by 1 box, and I will fix all circuit in this and cover this with its lid, and in this point or in this point this socket will joint. This is a very risky work, so I am connecting this all circuit in this box, and so seeing you after this. Okay, I have connected all components and circuit in this, and I will give the PDF link of this circuit diagram in my description box below. You can check it out. Okay, finally I have made this, and this is the time for testing. Let's test it. Guys, I don't know what will be the reaction when I turn on the switch. I don't have any idea about this, so this is very risky. If you had enough knowledge about electronics, so try this. Otherwise, no, not try this at home. So wait, do subscribe and hit the bell icon below. This is very risky, and I'm doing just for you. Okay guys, I'm turning on the switch. Oh, this is working. Yes, this is working. Let's try with remote. Yes. Now I'm giving some load on it. Try it. Okay, it's working. Yes. So this project is working fine, and hope you understand how to make this in your home. And I am second time warning you, don't try this at home if you not enough idea about electronics. Try this at home if you have enough idea about electronics, and if you not understand any part of this video, you can comment me below. I will definitely try to reply, and please subscribe our channel and like this video if you like this, and if you not enjoy this video, definitely dislike it. And if you know anything new about from this video, you can subscribe our channel. So see you in the next video with fresh and new idea. Bye bye.